Do you see my balding and thinning edges? Yes, I have hair loss, but today I'm going to show you how to take a half wig and do two different hairstyles on fine thin hair. So let's hop into the video. Now first you want to start out by parting your hair in the front and leaving leave out. Now I'm going to have to take a substantial amount of leave out in the front of my hair because my hair is so fine and thin, and as you can see I barely have none up in the front because half the edges are gone. So I'm just going to take my clamp and put it there, and then you just want to go ahead and brush your hair into a bun in the back. No need to be fancy because it's just going to be covered up with the half wig. Now this half wig is by Organique. It's very affordable, and you can also use it as a drawstring ponytail, and that's what I like. It has two tuck combs in the front and one big tuck comb in the back and a drawstring so that you can tighten it. So it's very easy to install. It probably would have worked better if you have some type of braid up there in the middle, but I'm just sticking it right there on my hair. And you can see how flat the band is what I really love about this half wig. And so I just took the clamp off and I'm just combing my hair back and taking my wave brush, and this just helps to get the hair a little bit flatter. I don't really flat iron much anymore because I've damaged my hair terribly with heat, but you can see my hair just starts to blend easier with the flat brush. And so you just want to kind of just brush your hair to kind of blend in with it. And now I'm going in with my Basque and Lather edge control, which is one of my favorite edge controls. This edge control is so strong, literally my edges will stay in place for 24 hours just the way I sweep them back. That's how good this edge control is. And guys, I will have all products linked below. And this is a super quick out the door hairstyle. This hairstyle takes less than 5 minutes to do, and that's why I love quick hairstyles like this, and it looks so professional and neat. And so what you see me doing is kind of just swooping my bangs forward within the hair, and yeah, it just falls in place, the natural waves of the wig. It just kind of hides and disguises my edges, and look how neat that looks. And then just do the same to the other side. And so we're going to do two different hairstyles, so we're focusing right now on just the regular half wig, and this is what it's looking like. Hairstyle number one. I think this looks very beautiful, professional for work, church, wherever you choose to go. You look very elegant with this hairstyle. Look at that. I love it. Love how this first hairstyle turned out. And this is the side and this is the back. Yeah, I love how this looks. So now we're going to do a half up and a half down style. So all I did was take the leave out and I parted a little bit of the wig in the back and just pulled those hairs forward and united it with my leave out so it looks like my hair. And you're just going to go ahead and just place your hair in a ponytail once you have it all brushed up nice and neatly. And once you brush it up in the ponytail and put your little band tie on there, you're just going to separate the hairs and make it blend well. And you just take down the back of it and comb it out and play with it around your face. So you can see my little peekaboo hairs peeking through. And now I'm just doing some little baby hairs in the front, trying to make the front look nice and uniform, and using more of my edge control to slick the sides up. You just want to make it look neat. Now, if you're wondering what that black stuff is on the side of my edges, that is my hair dye pin comb, and I use that to blend in on those bald spots to make my hairline look fuller. And what I love about the hair dye pin comb is that it works well with edge controls and gels, and as you can see, it's not moving, and it actually just marries together and makes everything look realistic. So now I'm just separating the ponytail, and I'm going to take the back down and blend everything in together. And I think style number two came out pretty cute. I want you guys to leave me a comment and let me know which style did you prefer. Did you prefer the first style or the second style, and would you wear this half wig? So yeah, I think this came out cute. This is the back. And yeah, go ahead and vote and leave me a comment. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.